Now let's try and hit the camera one more time. All right, this is the Golfguru 5-foot by 4-foot artificial turf practice mat. Looks like it's about 1 inch in its compressed state right here, 1 inch thick. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. We got alignment sticks. Spring is in the air, golf is in the air. All right, so here's the mat on my back patio of my townhouse. Hopefully you've got a bigger backyard than me. The patio itself is about 8 foot wide and 7.5 foot long, so it takes up a good portion there. This is a 5-foot by 4-foot mat. I wanted you to see what it looks like unrolled straight out of the box. And you can see all of the items that you get with this. We've got 2 alignment sticks, sponge balls. Here you can see the sponge balls compared to a Pro V1. 2 different tee sizes that fit through the mats. So we've got 3 holes on this side and 3 holes on this side. The mat itself feels really comfortable. We got little step-up tees here that actually go inside of here if you want. And we're gonna have to test this out. You know, something like this is gonna be great for the winter time when I just wanna swing something, feel like I'm a golfer. So far, feeling pretty good. I like the feel under my feet. When I'm hitting the ground here, that 1 inch is enough padding for me, especially for chipping. Can you get those golf balls for? Okay. This is great because I can set up different targets in the yard, measure out distances if I wanted to. I wish I had a larger yard, but fantastic. All right, I'm at the driving range, about 39 degrees out and super windy. There you can see the Golfguru mat next to a regular, at least my driving range mats. See, there's the regular driving range tees that we're all used to. There's the Golfguru tees. Let's hit a couple. Don't make fun of my posture. Feels pretty good. With this thing about 1 inch deep, when you're hitting off of this concrete right here, if you hit it fat, you're gonna feel it, but it's not too bad, really. Let's try the driver off the tee that they provided for us. So, looking for a mat for your backyard, your basement, take with you to the driving range, put it on the grass, put it on the concrete. Feels pretty good. 4-foot by 5-foot. Gets the job done. You get all kinds of cool stuff with it, alignment sticks, tees, the whole 9 yards. Check out this mat by Golfguru.